Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you how to make stress relief balls. This is an easy activity that you can do at home because it doesn't really require a lot of materials. All you really need is a balloon, a kitchen funnel, and some rice. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your balloon, stretch it out a little bit to get it loose, blow some air into it so that it expands a little bit. Then you want to take your kitchen funnel, open up the mouthpiece a little bit, and make sure that you get the mouthpiece over the end of the funnel. You want to make sure that you have enough of the mouthpiece of the balloon over the funnel so that none of the rice comes out. So just get it up there, and that should be plenty. So then you want to take some rice, and what I like to do is maybe put the rice in a cup so that a lot of it's not coming out at once. And you also want to make sure that when you're putting the rice into the funnel, you're putting it in gradually. You're not putting a lot in at a time because it can get jammed up and clogged. So I like to put in a little bit at a time so that it fills up. Shake it up a little bit so that you know what's going in there. And as you're doing this, just make sure you shake it so that the rice goes in. Again, it doesn't get clogged up inside your balloon or inside the funnel as well. And you can feel that starting to fill up. And these stress relief balls are good to have. Again, if you're just stressed out and you want something that can relieve tension that you can squeeze throughout the day, you can have with you. So this one needs just a little bit more rice to fill up. And any kind of rice is good. You don't need any kind of special rice. And you want to make sure that when you fill it up, that you don't fill it up too much because you want to tie your balloon at the end. So we're getting there. All right, I'm just going to add a little bit more. All right, that should be perfect. If there's any excess rice left over when you take the funnel off, all right, if you can't tie it, you can just dump it back in. I don't think I really have that much left over because you want to make sure you have enough room to tie it. So stretch it out, give it a tie, and then what I like to do is if there's any excess left over balloon from when you tie it, I kind of like to just cut that off at the end. Just be careful you don't cut the knot because you don't want it to break. And there you go. You have your own stress relief ball. Hope this helps. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.